Hey everyone, I'm so excited to share that Revox Social is expanding their services and the way they help clients and offering video content creation. We're making videos now, right? And we've been making videos for a while, but we really wanted to make it official and offer it as a substantial service in the way that we serve those that work with us. Let me share the 3 reasons why we decided to add video creation to our service options. The first reason is because looking back at 2020, we learned a lot about video over the past year. Video was second best to being in person together in community with one another. We all were part of many Zoom video calls. We all were a part of watching video content. We all were a part of creating videos to stay connected to our customers. And in fact, our business grew during the pandemic because we were meeting that need for some of our clients, creating videos to connect them with their customers. So 2020 taught us the importance of video, and we felt like it was time to make video something that we do on the regular for our clients. The second reason we decided to start doing more videos as part of our services is because social media management is at our heart, but we are always putting a high priority and a high recommendation on creating quality videos for social media. So oftentimes our clients might ask, what type of content can we create that's engaging and interactive and effective? And naturally we say, you need to make more videos. But more oftentimes than not, those folks say back to us, well, we don't have what it takes to make videos. We don't want to do it on our own. Can you help? So we are doing video content creation for our clients now to meet a need that we have seen time and time again. The final reason that Revox is now offering video services, probably closest to my heart, is because our clients have a story to tell and a message to share. And we've had the privilege to share some of those stories and some of those messages for some really amazing clients and organizations here in our region that are doing great work in the community. And we've been able to bring those stories to life through the powerful medium of video. And we believe there's so many others out there with great stories that they need to share, with great messages that they need to get out there to their customers. And we want to be in a position to help you do that through video. If you have a story to tell, a message to share, a customer testimonial to capture, let us know, because we believe that we can truly bring your business to life through the power of video.